Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Display Settings. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings so you see the active monitor immediately. Once done, make sure you identify which screen is selected when multiple monitors exist, because resolution applies per display. You also want to note scaling and orientation values now, since they affect perceived resolution and text size. This step sets the context for accurate measurement and prevents changing the wrong screen later. You now find the display resolution drop-down and read the numerical value. For example, 1920 × 1080. That number is the actual pixel dimensions the system is sending. If available, select the recommended option because it matches the panel's native resolution and gives the sharpest image. Also, make sure to understand the difference between resolution and scaling. Scaling changes UI size without altering pixel count. So a scaled 125. You finish by applying any change and visually confirming clarity and layout. If text or icons look soft, switch back and try a different setting. If the resolution value contradicts the laptop manufacturer specs, check the spec sheet to verify the native pixel count. This resolves mismatches. If settings reset, flicker, or options are missing, update or roll back the display driver. This single troubleshooting step often restores correct resolution options and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.